There are many reasons that you may have been attracted to the idea of working online. For many, the allure of being completely free to work when and how they please will be enough. For others, it comes down to the feeling of satisfaction that comes from financial independence. But for some, it's the allure of being highly successful. For some, it's the appeal of being successful, accomplished, powerful and wealthy, of being able to live that hedonistic lifestyle of travel, partying and womanizing. In other words, some of us just want to be highly successful in the traditional sense and to get the feeling of reward and power that comes from that success. Internet marketing makes this possible because it gives us a way to earn money that isn't limited by conventional career trajectories. You have the prestige that comes from being an entrepreneur, and you have the theoretical ability to learn limitless money. You just need a good idea, a little business savvy and the dedication to put in the work. Do all that and you can quickly become highly successful. You can rub shoulders with bankers, lawyers and other highly successful individuals, enjoying tailored suits and lavish parties, all without putting in the time at the bottom of the heap. But there's a problem, and that is the fact that many of us don't know how to live this lifestyle. Many of us want that successful lifestyle, but we miss the vital steps. Many of us end up simply working our behinds off at home, not remembering to brush our hair or do our teeth, and then looking completely disheveled whenever we do leave the house. Working alone is not highly conducive to presenting ourselves well, and what many people don't appreciate is that running a business is a lot of hard work. Without a boss to motivate you, you can end up falling behind quickly. And then you end up making up for it in the evenings, or by diving straight into work without getting ready for the day first. This is especially true if you are so driven by being successful or wealthy. Kind of ironic. The solution is actually to make sure you leave space in your day for looking after yourself and investing in your look. We all know the saying, dress for the job you want. This is just as true when you work for yourself, because dressing well will make you feel more successful and effective. But knowing that and actually acting on it are two very different things. If you want to spend time on yourself, then you need to ensure you give yourself that time, and more importantly that you give yourself that energy. That means clocking off at a set time and dedicating some hours in the day to getting dressed and ready. Develop a morning routine. This will make it easier to ensure you get dressed and ready the same time every day, and will ensure you start your day with the right enthusiasm, mood and footing.